What's up, ladies and gents? Welcome back to another official Trump meme coin video. In this video, we're going to deep sea dive. Well, not too deep, but we're going to look at some inside-y wallets. Ooh, we're going to look at some wallets that got in pretty early and basically capitalized massively, made some really juicy profits for basically not much input or risk at all. Now we can see this Trump coin is sitting at $27.58 on the day. It's come down massively from $34, hit a bottom at $25.95. At the moment, we're only seeing a sea of red for this token. There are still 800 million pending coins to be released over the next 3 years, I believe. And of course, this injection of supply will create a token dilution, which will also reduce the value of each token unless that market capital can climb up the equivalent amount to offset that inflation. So we need to see this coin go to 20 bill. We need to see it go to 50 billion in the next 3 years. So yeah, at the moment, I'm sort of mixed emotions. I'm not mega bullish. I'm not bearish. I'm sort of in the middle. Like if a coin does go up and, is set a milestone and a feat in itself to go up the amount that it did within 24 hours, if you're going to go through thrill, euphoria, and excitement that quickly, you are going to come back down pretty hard. So it is quite normal to see. Anyway, look at this. Cointelegraph, Donald Trump right here, signing an executive order to make America basically the capital of crypto, the world's capital of cryptocurrency, which is insane. So dethroning Dubai from that spot, and also Travala are now accepting Trump tokens, which is a good bit of utility play really overall. Quickly before we do jump into the rest of the video, if you do want to become a patron, guys, and really lock into this market, achieve time, location, financial freedom, you can check out our Patreon, which is just linked down below for you, where you're going to unlock early meme alpha, stealth launches, DEX launches, education, insights, analysis, signals, and more. And you can see this is the Crypto Legend package of 108 members. And effectively, this will help you get signals every single day that could make you some huge gains like the ones that you see on screen right here. A lot of the traders are doing brilliant, by the way. So starting their new year off very well. Now let's have a little look. Firstly, just looking at the holders of the Trump token, the current supply, 999 million there. So just looking at some, we've got Binance sitting at the top, OKX as well, Binance 2 wallet, a Bybit wallet number 7, we've got a Kraken wallet. And as we go through, we can see there are a lot of exchanges here, like Gate.io as well, BitGet Exchange, MEXE. So predominantly, it looks like, large exchanges that are holding a lot of this token. I haven't gone in to dig whether these exchanges are selling or whether they are allowed to, or whether it's a vesting period or whatever the agreement is. I don't honestly know. But yeah, usually we do see a lot of these exchanges hold a large quantity of these coins. So you've got like 80% already being held by the team. Then you have like exchanges as well. And then usually the retail just get like the little, the crumbs, if you want to call it that. So there's not really much to circulate after that, but there is a massive amount of supply control. Now we can see the charts here. It's looking like it's trying to move to the outside. It's trying to move to the upside a bit. $5.44 billion market cap. Liquidity has gone down 200 million quite recently. On the last hour, we're seeing the price rise a bit, but overall in the 24 hours, we've seen double the amount of sell volume versus buy volume. Again, on the trade history, I think this is kind of exciting. Whoa, hang on a minute. What's going on here? Wait, because not long ago, this is strange. Look at all this selling pressure. So recently, it's all only been sells because I just made a video recently, right? And now it's all flipped to buys only. This is seriously strange. Now it's all like whales buying again. This is either a microbot or a market maker. I'm honestly not 100% sure, but it's interesting nonetheless. If you guys also look to buy crypto or anything like that, enter the market, you can use KSEX, which has got the lowest fees in the entire market, by the way, which will help you save money over time, and you can basically preserve more of your hard work in funds, dollars, or whatever country you're from. KSEX is great, no KYC, globally accessible, hundreds and hundreds of trading pairs you can enjoy. You might also get a bonus on us if you do sign up. You can also use Bitfinex as well if you want a bit more sort of product side. You can get copy trading there, staking, you can on-ramp fiat. And it's a bit easier to get in and out of the market, as well. So Bitfinex is another one I really do enjoy using. Now, just having a look recently at this website here, gmgn.ai. When we look at overall what's going on with the Trump token, this breaks down a lot of the wallets that have made significant amounts of money in the markets. You can see here's the Trump token right here. We can move it to the daily time frame just so you can sort of see. We can go to the 4-hour time frame. It reflects wallets and their behavior. and exactly what they've been doing. Now you can see it will break down the buys and the sells here. It's not crystal clear. It doesn't look super nice, actually. Trying to make it look a little bit better for you guys for the sake of that. But yeah, a lot of these wallets are making incredible amounts of money, which is just insane. So you can see like this one here was selling on the way up, the entire way up, selling on the way up, sell, bought a little bit back on that dip, then it kept going, then bought around $27, and then I don't know if it sold anymore, probably not. So that was its main selling wave right there. But you can see this wallet ending in, I think it's 6SG right here. This is the one. They bought $26 million worth, and they sold 1.6K worth on these individual transactions, right? But when you actually look at the overall state of play for these wallets, the total P&L for this 6SG wallet here, you can see hundreds, if not thousands of transactions, $38.3 million. That is ridiculous. That's how much money that particular wallet made. So there are just a few different wallets. You can see they've still got 105.5K left here, if that's their balance there remaining of those tokens, which is just insane. So there's a wallet right there. You can see this is a 6SG wallet, and they're holding Melania, 1 million Melania. Let's get that also clear, because there's other wallets holding exactly 1 million Melanias, which is interesting too. They've still got $15 million worth of Trump. That is absolutely outrageous. That is just ridiculous. Like, give me some. Another wallet over here, boys and girls, XY3K made $63 million. And you can see, look, the selling activity 3 days ago, and then it all sort of stopped. This is just wild. 5 days ago, selling, constantly selling, Trump constantly selling, and selling some other coins too. But yeah, that is insane. That's pretty much emptied out the balance on this particular one, but they made 63.9 million, 1 million on the Melania, even though here it's saying they've got $3 million worth of Trump still. This is another very, large sort of coin or holder, shall I say. Another 1 million exactly Melania there as well. So yeah, I mean, you're gonna see it happen with every coin. When a coin goes up, there are people that will be selling against the pump, and that's usually the best way for it to go, because if they were to sell on the drop, then it would literally just look like a massive drop like that. It would become then what looks like a rug. But right now, it's not a rug. I don't think it will become a rug anyway, and for that to happen, it would need to basically correct probably like 90%, and I highly doubt we're going to see a 90% correction plus here for the Trump coin, if that makes you feel any better, guys. Yeah, so at the moment, it's rocky. The market is strong, however, but it's a rocky coin. I think a lot of people got bored. They're selling, they're moving out into other projects. At the moment, Bitcoin's $104,000, and it's never felt so boring. The absence of euphoria and the excitement and just generally being excited right now, it's just not there. I think people are a bit confused given what's happened with the inauguration. They expected more. And with the Trump coin, people expected more. So there's a little bit of disappointment sort of hovering in the air for the general sort of crypto markets right now. Like I say, guys, make sure you're signed up to the right and appropriate exchanges. I've got some link down below for you where you can buy basically every coin in existence, and do consider becoming a patron. Just let you know, I personally do hold some Trump coin. I've got about 100 tokens left. Whoopie-doo. I mean, actually, that's quite a lot. I should be very grateful. But like, yeah, it's a difficult one. I'm still going to hold, because part of me thinks that it could still be a wild shakeout. Like, yeah, let's scare the public as much as possible and not allow them to own any of this token, so it can be like only held by a certain group or proportion of people, smart money effectively. And yeah, I do think there will be another wave one day. I don't know when, but I can still see this token going up in the future. Let's say the most bullish scenario, $87 using our 0.1618 Fibonacci. Imagine that, guys. That would be absolutely crazy.